saved me a fortune. So it's a trial, let's see what happens. Back in Italy. Yay! Alright, well I'd say that was a total success. Although I'm tired, this is really good progress. I'm really pleased with it. This room's going to be amazing. It's going to be cozy. It's nearly done, isn't it? Yeah, I mean it's nearly done. Not much more to do. Not much at all. Alright, different plans. I have booked a flight with Lufthansa, which goes from Ancona, changes in Munich, and then on to Manchester. Good price. I should be back home in England by 11 o'clock tonight, midnight. What's the time now? Just after 2 p.m. So I'm going back to see the kids for the weekend. I'm leaving this car at the airport and then I'm flying back on Tuesday. Now, if that works, that could mean then that I start, see, I'll bring the car down, we'll say week 1, and then I can leave the car in Italy for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, and I can just go back on the odd weekend. And that should be really convenient and save me a fortune on things like car hire and just travel in general. So it's a trial, let's see what happens. Fingers crossed, eh? Beautiful day. Parking right outside the terminal. Fantastic. Quick changeover in Munich. Back in Manchester. It's raining for a change. Manchester airport on the way back to Italy, so Manchester, Munich, on to Ancona with Lufthansa. How'd you say that?
Would you like the receipt?
No, you're okay, thanks. Thanks, bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, but you have to wait now.
Danke.
Thank you. Back in Italy. Yay! Alright, well I'd say that was a total success. It was such an easy journey compared to some of the other airlines. That's a really nice experience. You know, just pop off the plane, straight off into the car park. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. That went really well. Snowing in Munich and sunny here. It's cool, it's not cold, it's nice. So parking's easy, straight to the car. And yeah, I'd say that's a successful trial. Lufthansa, brilliant. Definitely do that again. Car's still here, not been clamped or towed away, which is nice. Right, now I'm back. I think straight to work really. I will pop down to one of the DIY stores from the airport, because there's time now, 4:30, should miss the traffic, pick up some stuff that I need to do, some tools and materials for the fireplace and things like that, straight from the airport. So yeah, that's the plan. Don't want to film it all because it's boring, but just to show you it comes out. Feels right to do it slow and steady rather than just go at it too hard in case, I don't know, vibration might knock something else out of place. So that's going all right. And the other thing is, as I said today, I mean the house is freezing. So I don't know, does that mean it's well insulated or not? But you come outside and you can sunbathe in this. It's unreal. So I sit in the sun because I need a breather every 10 minutes or so because I'm knackered, you know. And then, oh yeah, feel the warmth on your face. Living the dream. Lovely. Dusty work. This mask is pretty good though. Trying to get the last of the sun. It does. I know you probably can't see this, but I just come for a break. Alright, so I'm nearly done inside. I've broken through, right through. The floors come out good in the sense that it's a clear divide and it makes for a massive room. It's going to be amazing. Last bit of tidy up and then I'm knackered, so I'll call it a day I think and have something nice to eat and an early night and start again early tomorrow. Sun's up at, it gets light way before 7. So. Okay. Alright, so I got this last. So here's the difference in the thought, which is good. I've got something to work with. I'll clear it all out properly. I want to make this decent. Anyway, I'll clear this out tonight now. Have a good sweep up. Call it a night. Good progress. Hard bloody work that, mind. And it was easier for me to do it with the hammer than to get that angle grinder thing, because I mean that's just caused such a mess everywhere, so I didn't want to do that. A good lump hammer like this does the job. Yep, cheap, innit? Don't need power tools for everything, although I'm sure if I had one I'd use it. but budget doesn't stretch for those sort of things yet. I'm so pleased the way this has come out. It's gonna be superb. That's a pretty big kitchen diner from what'll be here, the lounge entrance. Right the way through there will be the kitchen, and then with the fireplace you can have, I don't know, a seat here, a table here, a breakfast bar thing here. Oh, nice big fridge freezer, storage, probably the cooker there, probably the sink here. Oh, it's all good. It's nearly done, isn't it? Yeah, I mean it's nearly done. Not much more to do. Not much at all. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have a beer. I think my plan now is leave that for a while, like overnight. Check the weather. I don't think it's going to be forecast rain. It looks like rain, but I don't know. So I can leave that for the night, and then tomorrow, as late as I can, put the door back on as gently as I can, prop it up. I consider that half a job, half done. There is another job I can do before it gets too dark, and because I'm leaving for a few weeks in the middle of winter, there's no doubt it's going to rain at some point. So while the council did do a good job with the main drainage, oddly there's one part that's too low, and I've seen it gather water once or twice. So while I'm here and while I've got the time, I might as well get it done. It's the bottom of the driveway before it turns up into the... So there's a drain there, and that's too low. So quite often water will pool here because that's higher than this. I think last time, here it is, dug a little trench through here, tiny little trench, so it just gives the water a chance to get away. So I might as well do that, just in case. farmers' dogs always go mad when it's feeding time. I think they get, like clockwork, they get fed twice a day, but as much as Italians love their dogs, and they really do, because you go to the supermarket and they've got special trolleys to put your dogs in, and you go in most shops, I think, yeah, you'll see people taking their dogs in shops, which is really nice. The dogs are well behaved, in fairness, but these poor dogs here, they're just left outside. Well, they're in the barn, but and that one, I think, yeah, our farmer just shouted at him. So he'll be quiet for 24 hours and then same time tomorrow.